I have a vision that at the end of my career, I will have prevented more skin cancers than I have had to treat. That's what we're trying to do at Actaskin. My name is Dr. Austin Lang. I am a skin cancer doctor and I am a co-founder of Actaskin. One day I noticed my wife was using a really expensive sunscreen and she was using a tiny amount. It started a conversation for us about how to use sunscreen correctly, why is sunscreen so expensive, and why is it that we're still getting sun protection wrong in Australia? It made us realize that it's about our culture and our sun protection habits. Despite having the highest skin cancer rates in the world, we still haven't got the hang of sun protection. And that's the problem that Actaskin is trying to address. I regularly see people who regret the decisions they made about their sun protection earlier in life. Now they're dealing with the pain, the scars, the surgeries. We can't go back and change what's happened in the past, but we can make a decision now to start protecting our skin and improving our skin health for the future. UV levels in Australia are so extreme that the everyday exposure that we get, whether it's driving the car, putting the washing out, or getting caught out in the morning walking the dog, makes a big difference to your risk of skin cancer later in life. The tricky thing is that there's a long gap between the cause and the effect. We accumulate UV exposure over our lifetime. This is what contributes to our risk as we get older. And by the age of 70, 2 in 3 Australians will have had skin cancer. That's why we're trying to make it easier and clearer for people to effectively protect their skin. We make products that are backed by real clinical evidence, and it's not just marketing fluff. That all comes down to understanding the science behind the ingredients and understanding the real clinical impact that they have. A lot of brands out there just don't know what they're talking about. They make big claims, but when you look into the evidence behind their claims, it often doesn't stack up. Instead, they rely on clever marketing tricks and added ingredients to make it seem like their products are superior, and they're not. That's the problem. You'll hear terms like physical sunscreen, chemical sunscreen, inorganic, organic, toxin-free, reef-safe, natural. We're here to try and clear up that confusion and debunk a lot of these myths that are related to sunscreen. We're about giving you what works, cutting through the noise to make sure that you're using what works for you. Actaskin is about protecting skin. It's also about repairing skin. There are ingredients that can and have been shown to repair or reduce the damage that's been caused by the sun, and that is huge for Australia. We're really excited about making this information more accessible and helping people repair their sun-damaged skin. Knowing how to protect your skin shouldn't be this difficult. It's why at Actaskin we're trying to make sun protection second nature.